And I would want to make a motion that Attorney Roque should be detained in the Women's Correction. Women's Correction.
Attorney Harry Roque muli na namang na-hold in contempt at inirekomenda ni Representative Abante na dalhin o ikulong or i-detain sa Women's Correctional.
Marcos Jr. critic like me and of code ay napaka-doble kara naman pala ni Attorney Harry Roque, Mr. Chair. I find this disturbing because if I remember correctly, Attorney Roque was asked if he recognizes the power of the House to hold him in contempt. And he said yes. But the moment he was no longer in our presence, Mr. Chair, he went out and publicly questioned the contempt ruling and accused us of abusing this power. I believe that we cannot countenance such behavior, Mr. Chair. Naging mabait pa tayo sa kanya. I even asked if the Quad Committee would hold in abeyance the contempt charge just because we were actually kind to him.
Si Harry Roque ay tinawag na doble kara ni Representative Abante kasi kung naalala nyo nung naunang hearing, ayon din dito sa video, na nung naunang hearing na hold din siya in contempt, ay tinanong siya kung nararapat ba yung parusa sa kanya at na umayo naman siya, nag-yes siya. So, paglabas na ng court hearing, so tinatagalog ko lang kasi English yung nandito sa for the benefits ng marami para mas maintindihan. So, ayun nga, paglabas daw niya ng hearing nung naunang detention niya, ay saka siya nagdadaldal doon at sinabihan silang nag-abuse ng power kung paano siya dinitene. At hindi nagustuhan yun ng mga congressman or ng House of Representatives at siya'y muling na hold in contempt.
So this manifestation is being spoken today to inquire if the statements made by Attorney Roque outside our hearings should be grounds to hold him also in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Abante. Yes, I believe
Siya'y muli na namang na-hold in contempt. At sabi pa ni Representative Abante, ito ay napaka-disturbing kasi pagdating sa loob, habang nasa loob siya ng korte, umuo siya at paglabas niya, saka siya nagbigay ng mga statement na sinisiraan yung congressman, yung mga representatives kasi nga nagpa-power tripping daw sila, kung baga, ina-abuse daw yung power nila. So,
And I would want to make a motion that Attorney Roque should be detained in the Women's Correction. Women's Correction. Hindi po. Doon na lang sa bikutan natin. Mr. Chair, sorry po sa pagkakamali.
so. Is that a motion, Congressman Abante or Congressman Keith?
Mr. Chair, in deference to Attorney Roque being a former member of this House, Mr. Chair, I move that he be detained in the House premises, Mr. Chair.
The motion. Okay, there is a motion to detain him, detain Attorney Harry Roque at the House of Representatives Detention Facility. And this was duly seconded. Any objection? No objection. The motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, very quick. Mr. Chair.
Okay, just please make this very, very quick because the topic today is which part of your statement?
That I said that Attorney Roque should be detained at the Women's Correctional. I want it stricken out.
Okay, Comsec, please take note and it is so ordered.
ayun, kaya muli siyang na-cite in contempt. Ayun, at nirekomenda nag-file ng motion sa Representative Abante na sa Women's Correctional siya dalhin. Imagine niyo kung doon siya sa Women's Correctional, ano? Ay, wag eh. Kalma lang. Pati ako nawawala sa ayos eh. Okay, thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. God bless you all. Bye-bye.